So welcome back. In this video we will see another video related to Microsoft Excel, and in this video we will learn about how to insert a PDF in Microsoft Excel. So first of all you will open this Excel sheet, then you will click this insert button. After clicking insert button you will see this text button. You will select this text tab, then you will have to select this object button. After clicking object you will select create from file, then you will browse the file you want to add. For example, I want to add a file placed on desktop. I want to add this file in Excel. I will click insert, then I will click OK. So in this way I can add a PDF in Microsoft Excel. So that's all from this today's video. We will see in our next video how to link PDF in Excel.